today we will visit Mindoro in the Philippines to learn about the Mangyan people. So, let's get started. The Mangyan are not one group but 8 different tribes. These are the Ayraya, Alangan, Tanyawan, Tauboid, Buhid, Hanuu, Ragugnon, and Bangon. Each tribe has its own language and ways of life. Mangyan people are good farmers. They grow rice, bananas, and other foods. They also hunt and gather. Some make money selling bananas and ginger. They're also very good at making things. The Hanuu Mangyan weave and make pots. The Buwid are also good at potters.
Inang! Asinawain kanta maplaki!
The Mangyan have their own languages. They also have their own writing called Surat Mangyan. This is very old. Mangyan people believes in spirits and have their own ways of worship. Some are Christians too. Let's watch their traditional dance.
Sinilangkot na mula kay kaagatan, kultura ng katutubong nakagisnan. Unang mga ibon at lagasas na gamit ang nagbibigay buhay sa kagubatan.
Buka ng Mindoro ang tahanan ng ating mga katutubong mangyan. Nagatuloy maganggalan sa init at ulan. Ang lahat ng ito'y kaisa ng kalikasan.
The Mangyan people are strong, happy people and love their land. I hope you learned something today and thanks for watching. See ya!